Good morning students. Now we will learn that how can we separate insoluble solid from liquid. First is sedimentation. What is sedimentation? Sedimentation is a process in which heavier particles settle down. Suppose you have a mixture of sand and water. You have a mixture of sand and water. You can keep this mixture for 30 or 40 minutes. What happened to this mixture? The sand being heavier settled at the bottom. So this method is called sedimentation, in which heavier particles settled at the bottom because they are heavy in weight and water is lighter in weight, so it will be in the upper side. Now we can remove this water without disturbing the sediment. Sediment is the settled sand. We can pour this water in another beaker by using a glass rod and this method is called decantation. Third method is filtration. In filtration, we take a filter paper. Suppose if you have no filter paper, then you can use a cotton cloth also. So we can have, if we have a filter paper, we keep this filter paper in the funnel and we pour this water through the funnel. Then what happened? Because filter paper have tiny pores, and tiny pores do not allow impurities like sand to pass through it. So this will remain on the filter paper and the clean water collected in the another beaker. So this is a method called filtration. So we can remove insoluble solids by three methods. First is sedimentation, in which heavier particles settled and called sediment. Then we pour this liquid in another beaker without disturbing the sediment by using a glass rod. This is called decantation. Third method is filtration, in which we can use a filter paper and we pass the water through the filter paper. Filter paper have tiny pores, do not allow sand to pass through it, and sand will remain on the filter paper, and because the water have smaller size particles, so they will pass through the funnel or filter paper and we can collect this water in another beaker. These methods can be used in water treatment plant, and you have observed your mother remove tea leaves from the tea by using filtration, and she can wash rice and pulses by using decantation.